Good morning, students. In our daily life, we come across many situations in which we are required to know HCF and LCM of given numbers. In this chapter, we will learn about HCF and LCM of numbers. In previous class, I had taught you about common factors and common multiples. In this period, we want to know that about prime factorization and how many methods can be determined of given number. If factorization of a number is done in a way such that its factors are prime numbers, then this factorization is called prime factorization method. As for example, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here all factors of 24 are prime numbers, hence the factorization of 24 is prime factorization. Now I am going to describe. There are two methods of doing prime factorization of a number. First method is called division method and the second method is called factor tree method. So first of all, I am going to describe about division method. Prime factorization there are two methods. There are two methods of doing prime factorization. Prime factorization of a number. First method is called division method. First method is called division method. And second method is called factor tree method. By division method, suppose we have to find prime factorization of 72. First, division method 72. Suppose that we have to find prime factorization of 72. Here we write as 72 dividing by 2, 36, 18, 9, 3, 3. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factor of 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If a number is a product of prime factors, then this method is called prime factorization method. And by division method, we first of all we divide 72 by lowest prime factor. If we divide 72 by 2, we get 36 as quotient. Again 36 dividing by 2, we get 18 as quotient, and the process 18 divided by 2, we get 9 as quotient, and 3 divided by 3, we get 3 as quotient. So here the process stops, and the prime factor of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. In this method, we can determine the prime factorization division method. Now, factor tree method. Example 22. Factor tree method. By factor tree method, finding prime factorization, we write example 90. We are given a number 90 and we have to find the prime factorization by division factor tree method. We write as 90 and dividing by 2, we get 45. Again, if we divide 45 by 3, we get 15 as quotient. Also 15 divided by 3, we get 5 as quotient. So the prime factorization of 90t, we write here 2. 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2. 90 बराबर 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So by factor tree method, we can find the HCF of, we can find the given number in product of prime factors. Factor tree method. Similarly, you can solve the next number 8, 12 as factor tree method. Now we have learned the method of finding common factors of 2 or more numbers. Now I am going to describe about HCF, highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? The highest common factor means abbreviated as HCF, short form. HCF of 2 or more numbers is the highest of their common factor. Highest common factor is also called greatest common divisor, GCD. HCF means highest common factor and GCD means greatest common divisor. Now, finding highest common factor, I am going to describe material. Of finding HCF. Methods of finding HCF. There are two methods of finding HCF of 2 or more numbers. First method is called factorization method and the second method is called continued division method, Euclid's algorithm method. This method was devised by Euclid, a Greek mathematician, to find the HCF of 2 numbers. So working rules of finding HCF by prime factorization method. First method, method 1, prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, at first find prime factorization of all the given numbers whose HCF is to be obtained. Find prime factorization. Number 1, working rule. Find prime factorization of all the given numbers. Find prime factorization of all the given numbers. And second number 1 rule is identify common factors of all the given numbers. Identify all the common factors of all the given numbers. In 3 number, find the minimum number of times a prime factor occurs in the prime factorization. Multiply each common factor. Multiply each common factor. The product so obtained will be the product thus obtained will be the HCF of the given numbers. HCF of the given numbers. Here working rule to finding the HCF by prime factorization method is, first of all, find prime factorization of all the given numbers. If you are given 2 or more numbers, then first of all you should find prime factorization of all the given numbers, and in next step identify common factors of all the given numbers. अब जितने भी उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड है उसमें से कॉमन फैक्टर उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड को चिन्हित करना है, आइडेंटिफाई करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट मल्टीप्लाई ईच कॉमन फैक्टर्स. उसके बाद सभी उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंडों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. द प्रोडक्ट सो ऑब्टेन्ड इस प्रकार प्राप्त गुणनफल will be the HCF of the required number. इस प्रकार प्राप्त गुणनफल दी हुई संख्या का महत्तम समावर्तक प्राप्त होता है. So by prime factorization method we can find the HCF. Working steps are given below. First working rule. According to first working rule, find the prime factorization of all the given numbers. First of all, we have to find the prime factorization, and after that identify common factors of all the given numbers. इनमें से जितने भी गुणनखंड हैं सभी गुणनखंडों में से उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंड को हमको लिखना है, एक जगह लिख देना है गुणा के रूप में. तो उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई ईच कॉमन फैक्टर्स, उसके बाद सभी उभयनिष्ठ गुणनखंडों को गुना कर देंगे. तो इस प्रकार प्राप्त गुणनफल दी हुई संख्या का महत्तम समावर्तक होता है. सो बाय factorization method we can find the, as for example, if you have to find the HCF of the following 24 and 36. Example, if you are given two numbers 24 and 36 and you have to find the HCF by prime factorization method. Factors of 24. Here factors of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and the factors of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now after that we find the prime common factor. Therefore common factor is equal to common factors is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Common factors बराबर 2 into 2 into 3. Hence HCF बराबर, HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 बराबर 12. So the HCF of 24 is equal to 12. So in this way you can find HCF by prime factorization method. Working rule is written. So first of all try to understand working rule for finding HCF. First rule, according to first rule, find prime factorization of all the given numbers. In second step, identify common factors of all the given numbers. In third step, multiply each common factors. The product so obtained will be the HCF of the given numbers. To verify this rule, I have taken some two numbers, and according to prime factorization method we found the HCF of numbers 24 and 36. In next class I will describe you about division method. Thank you.